Every year we panic, buy a pair of socks for Father's Day, and call it done. But what if you could help people give better gifts and make money doing it? Stick around and I'll show you how. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle. Let's make some money. I'll show you how to cash in this Father's Day by selling funny tees, aprons, and dad hats using Printify. Let's kick it off with something from an almost $47 billion market. Funny dad t-shirts. All right, so now I'm on the dashboard for Printify. They have everything, t-shirts, sweatshirts, but we're gonna do a t-shirt today. All right, I'm looking for the perfect t-shirt. All right, let's scroll down and see what we can see. I see one. The unisex soft style t-shirt. That is the one, okay? The price is perfect. All right, not bad at all. Okay, so now we're going to design our t-shirt. I went to ChatGPT, had some designs made, some funny dad t-shirts, some designs with jokes on it. I figured this would be fabulous for Father's Day and funny. So let's check it out. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. I thought that was cute. Look at all the colors I picked out. Wow. It's a variety, okay? All right, so now I picked out all the colors, and now we're going to put it inside. We're going to pick out some fabulous pictures to go with it. These are the Printify mock-ups. I'm focusing only on fathers, on dads, on males, so there we go. I'm putting them in. Some awesome colors, sapphire, light blue. Got some nice colors here, okay? And the description I'm going to change a little bit, all right? Because I had to change it to funny dad jokes, Father's Day gifts, okay? Gift humorous tee apparel. Now, the description is on point. It's perfect. I love it. It's looking for a unique gift. This is for, for someone who's looking for that funny t-shirt that dad can rock, for the summer. Okay, it comes in so many sizes from extra small to 5XL and a multitude of colors, okay? And they're all in stock, all right? And a profit margin of 40%. So we're going to make some money, all right? We're going to make a little profit here, all right? So now we're going to publish it. And here it is in my store. Look how fabulous it looks, $16.07. All right, look at the beautiful mock-ups. I got some of these mock-ups from Place It. Look at this one. Did you hear the rumor about butter? Well, I'm not going to spread it. All right, I thought that was cute. All right. ChatGPT helped me with that. And I thought that was cute. And look at this. You can even have it for Instagram, TikTok. Look at the little video. Add some music to it. That's how you sell it. That's how you sell it. You can put it on your website, put that video on social media, and you sell your shirts just in time for Father's Day. Nice. Dads and grills go together. Give them some tongs and it's game on. That's why grilling aprons are perfect for Father's Day and perfect to sell. The apron market is expected to hit $141 billion by 2031, according to VerifyMarketResearch.com. So let's hop back on Printify and make a cool dad's apron people will actually want to buy. Okay, so now I'm on the home page and we're going to be looking for aprons. So we're going to look for an apron. Father's Day is coming up. Let's do this, Let's give this to a man that you care about who loves to bake, cook, or grill. All right, he's good in the kitchen. Maybe he knows how to grill that burger just right, okay, that steak. Let's do this, okay? All right, apron 5-color straps. So it comes in so many different colors. All right, so the straps are adjustable. We're going to make this happen today. Look, all the different colors it comes in. All right, we're going to start designing. I'm going to upload a design I got from ChatGPT. I prompt ChatGPT to make this cool design. Okay, so I'm going to upload it from my device. We're going to add it to the files to the library. So now Printify can have this picture and we can place it on the apron. Look how cool that is. Come on, look at the colors. I'm ill with the grill. All right. He's the grill master. You can't, it says it all right there. Ill with the grill. He's saying like he knows what he's doing with the grill. All right. So now we're going to pick the colors, white straps, black, and let's go with blue. Come on, let's do blue straps. All right. We're going to be color coordinated. All right. So now we're going to save the product and let's look at the mock-ups. Oh, they came out nice. Look at this. Oh, he looks fantastic with his apron ready to throw down on the grill. He's going to make some steaks and potatoes on the grill, grill some veggies on the grill. I love it. So now we're going to take out I love the back. See the straps are adjustable so it can fit pretty much any size. You can tighten it, you can have it loose, how you want it. Okay, so now I'm taking out any females for this particular apron, even though anyone can wear it, but this is a great gift for Father's Day. So I'm trying to market fathers for Father's Day, or men that you love in your family, or someone that you know that can just grill. He don't even have to be a father, but if he knows how to grill or cook, give him that apron. Come on. What a great gift instead of just socks every time. It tells you all the description, tumble dry, do not iron. Okay, so now we're going to change. I changed the title a little bit too. I put for Father's Day. Okay, we're going to change the price. And we're going to change from $35.73. We're going to go up to $39.99, which brings up our profit margin to 46%. You can adjust the prices too. So that helps if you feel that, you feel this should be up a little bit higher. All right, we're going to publish it. Okay, so now that's how it looks in my store. They even accept PayPal. Look at this. Come on. This is fire. This is hot. Come on. Give this to someone you love, who you know like to cook, grill, bake. Come on, this is it. This is a great gift. A brother, an uncle. That's fantastic. All right, it came out great. Printify, I'm telling you, you do it like no other. This is awesome. All right, last one. And it's low-key became a style staple. Dad hats. They're comfy, simple, and suddenly fashionable. From backyard barbecues to weekend errands, dads are rocking them everywhere. And with the baseball cap industry expected to hit $37.25 billion by 2033, it's the perfect time to jump in. So let's run it back to Printify and put together a dad's hat that's both chill and gift worthy. Okay, so right now I'm on Canva, okay, and I'm designing this whole logo, this type of words onto canvas so I can place it onto a baseball cap for Printify. Okay, so you can design on Canva as well. So I'm just trying to make sure it has that look, that cool look. Okay, so I had to center it. Now I picked out a cap. Okay, this is going to be for Father's Day. I'm going to start designing it now. Press start designing. Okay, so now there's the cap. We're going to place it. We're going to upload it from my device to Printify's library. And here we go. It came out nice. It's centered. And now you can also always change it if you want, But now I'm definitely going to pick out the colors that I want this hat to come in. All right, so this is a one-size-fit-all cap. It's adjustable in the back. Here's all the cool colors I'm picking. We're going to save our product. All right, so now we're doing the mock-up. So I'm going to take out any females in the mock-up since it's a Father's Day baseball cap. Okay, so now that's a nice cap. It came out really, really nice. Wow, I love the colors. So we're going to pick the khaki. I'm going to go with the khaki. So I just took out some words and I put cool dad cap, baseball hat for stylish fathers. There's a description, comes in different colors, tells you how to take care of the cap, the instructions. Comes in 10 colors, one size, 32.47, a profit of $12.99, which is a 40% margin, profit margin. Now I am publishing it. It is now going to be in my store. Here it is right here, cool dad cap. $32.47. It also takes PayPal. This is straight from Printify. Look how beautiful. It came out nice. all the different colors. And remember, it's an adjustable strap in the back, okay? Let's check it out. Wow. What a nice mock-up. Came out really nice. I'm really proud of this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Any father would love this. Any man would love this. So now let's check out the video I put together to show it on Instagram. That came out so nice. Oh my goodness. So check out my Father's Day Inside Your Hustle collection on my website. Thank you, Printify. I love it. Ready to launch your own clothing brand with zero upfront costs? Sign up for Printify in my link down below. Come on, let's get it. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Printify. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.